afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 6. And the instruction to this question say we should choose the word that is most nearly opposite a meaning to the word in it, and the italicized word here is an incredible. The sentence said the lady narrated an incredible story to the police. The lady narrated an incredible story to the police. When we talk of incredible, means unbelievable story. Then what? So option A say a laudable, B say a laughable, C say ludicrous, then D say a plausible, E say an interesting story. A story that is interesting is the same thing as incredible. And a story, when a story is plausible, means acceptable, and anything that is unbelievable is what? Unacceptable. So when we talk of this, we talk of unacceptable or incredible. Then laughable, that is jokeable. Then what we talk laudable, you can say noise. You can talk of noisable, and so on and so forth. But the word that is opposite or nearly opposite in meaning to incredible is what we call plausible, which is acceptable, because anything that is incredible is unacceptable. So why plausible means acceptable. So opposite of acceptable is unacceptable. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.